Good day everyone. This is Engineer Armando Omanito, and our topic for today is age problem under the subject algebra. So by the way, this problem was solved by one of my students in my online review and tutorial center, RAP Caltech. Okay, so let's have the problem. The sum of the ages of two boys is 4 times the sum of the ages of a certain number of girls. 4 years ago, the sum of the ages of the girls was 1/11 of the sum of the ages of the boys, and 8 years hence, the sum of the ages of the girls will be 1/2 that of the boys. How many girls are there? So let's have the solution. So let x to be the sum of the ages of the two boys, and the number of boys is 2, and then y to be sum of the ages of the girls, and n is equal to the number of girls. So the sum of ages of the two boys is x is equal to 4 times the sum of the ages of the girls. So x is equal to 4y. And then 4 years ago, so that will be the sum of ages of the girls minus 4 years multiplied by the number of girls is equal to 1/11. So the sum of ages of the boys minus 4 years multiplied by the number of the boys. So that was 4 years ago. And then 8 years hence, so that will be the sum of ages of the girls plus 8 multiplied by the number of girls is equal to 1/2 the sum of ages of the boys multiplied by the number of boys 2 multiplied by 8 years. So that was 8 years hence. So substitute x is equal to 4y to equation 1. So this is our equation 1. So if we will substitute that will be, so 2 cross multiplication multiplied by y plus 8n quantity is equal to x plus 16 2 times 8, and that will be equal to 2y plus 16n is minus x is equal to 16. Okay, so x is equal to 4y, so substitute x here. So we have 2y plus 16n minus 4y instead of x is equal to 16, and then we will get 16n minus 2y is equal to 16, or simplify 8n minus y is equal to 8, and y is equal to 8n minus 8, and then substitute this to equation 2. So we have in equation 2 11 cross multiplication quantity y minus 4n is equal to, so we have x minus 2 times 4 is equal to, so 11y, 11 times y is 11y minus 44n is equal to, so x is equal to 4y. So instead of x is equal to 4y minus 2 times 4 is 8. So simplify this, we will get 11y minus 4y is minus 44n is equal to negative 8. And then we have 7y minus 44n is equal to negative 8. So wait. Okay, so we have 7 multiplied by y. Our y is equal to 8n minus 8. So minus 44n is equal to negative 8. So we have 7 times 8, 56n, minus 56 minus 44n is equal to negative 8. And then simplify that, we will have 12n is equal to 48, or n is equal to 4. So the number of girls is equal to 4. So that's all for today, and I hope that you learned something in our lesson. This is Engineer Armando Omanito. Until next time, and may God bless us all.